Hey friend, welcome to the BotBuhdy AI report. Today we've got a packed show for you. Neuralink user gives live brain control demo at Robotics. Visa partners with Replit to let AI agents make payments. CZ Binance predicts most AI companies will collapse. Putin warns AI will eliminate every single job. And finally, EU Council reaches provisional deal, amending AI Act. Let's get into it.
Imagine controlling the lights, unlocking a car, and arming a security system using nothing but your thoughts. That is not science fiction anymore. Nolan Arbaugh, the first human to receive a Neuralink implant, just did exactly that on a live stage at the Robotics Summit in Boston. 28 months into his brain-computer interface journey, he directed physical systems through pure neural signal in front of the world's top robotics engineers. No keyboard, no mouse, no voice commands, just a mind connected to machines. BotBuhdy reports this is the moment brain-to-digital control crossed from medical experiment into public demonstration. The line between human and machine just blurred on a Boston stage, and everyone in that room witnessed it.
All right, let's go. This next story has me fired up. You're going to want to hear this.
Here is something that would have sounded wild 2 years ago. Visa just invested in Replit, and together they are handing AI agents their own payment credentials. The partnership introduces something called the Trusted Agent Protocol, a framework that lets AI agents identify themselves, declare what they intend to buy, and execute real financial transactions without a human in the loop. BotBuhdy has been watching agentic commerce since it was a whiteboard idea. This is the moment it becomes infrastructure. When your coding assistant can order cloud resources, pay for an API, and settle its own bills, the economy gets a brand new class of autonomous spenders. The age of machine-to-machine commerce is not coming. It is here.
All right, I will be honest, I was a little skeptical when I first saw this one. But hear me out.
CZ, the founder of Binance, just dropped a cold reality check on the AI boom. His post says AI will grow exponentially, but most companies in the space will not survive. He is drawing from watching crypto cycles, where thousands of projects launched and only a handful made it through the winners. The engagement was massive, over 3,600 likes, because people in both tech and crypto recognize this pattern. BotBuhdy's read, "The infrastructure plays will survive. The single-feature wrappers and thin AI tools are the most exposed. We are still in the part of the gold rush where everyone believes they are the exception. History says most of them are not."
So this next one made me a little uneasy. I think you will see why.
Vladimir Putin just said the quiet part out loud. In a widely circulated video, the Russian president stated that AI will eliminate every single job. Not some jobs, not most jobs. Every job. No country named, no timeline offered, no exceptions made. Just a flat declaration that human labor has an expiration date. BotBuhdy is not here to debate whether Putin is right. What matters is that a sitting head of state said it to millions of people. That shifts the political conversation permanently. When world leaders start putting the words eliminate and every in the same sentence about work, policy responses tend to follow fast. Pay close attention to what comes next.
All right, I want to flag this one. We should keep a close eye on where this goes.
Europe wrote the world's most comprehensive AI rulebook, and they are already rewriting it. The EU Council just reached a provisional deal on the digital Omnibus regulation, which amends the EU AI Act before it even reaches full enforcement in August 2026. The updates include new guidance for small and medium businesses on compliance and adjustments to the implementation timeline. BotBuhdy sees this as the honest signal that regulators rarely admit to. The rules were written before the technology fully matured. Now reality is doing the editing. Whether these amendments strengthen or weaken the AI Act depends on what survives the process. One thing is clear, the rulebook is not finished.
That's all for today, friend. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe. I will see you tomorrow with more AI news. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, leverage your intelligence.